This video is for content creators and those looking to purchase a camera that's in their budget. I highly recommend this camera. Hope you guys do enjoy the unboxing. Enjoy. Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy, your main bro, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Canon M50 straight out of the mail, straight from UPS, and I'm going to just get right into it. So, I decided I had to purchase a better camera because I am taking YouTube more serious and I enjoy making the content, and you can't go wrong with investing into a camera. So, I legit just got this fresh in the box, and I decided why not just open it for the bros. And the main point of this video is I'm legit gonna show you guys, this is probably one of the best cameras that you could get for the buck, the best bang for the buck. So one of the key features, this is all that came in the box. This is actually it's a creator kit, so it comes with a lot of stuff. So if you guys could see that, it's a Canon M50. Some qualities and features about this camera: it's a mirrorless camera, and it comes with a Rode mic. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open for you guys. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second, I believe, but it's a good camera for starting off YouTube. It's not one of the top of the lines, but it's way better than most cameras out there. So then y'all know I struggle with opening up boxes, but this is, I don't think all the regular Canons come like this. Alright, so I picked this up for about $700, a little less than $700 on a website online, because it came with the microphone. And as soon as I opened up the box, they sent me a free 32 gig SD card. It's better than nothing, and I guess it came with it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down. Alright, once I open it up, that's all that's in the box. There's nothing else in there. Go ahead and move this out the way. But first things first, this is the Rode microphone. It's probably another, this is about $100. It came in the bundle, so that's why I recommend buying this one. And this is what we all been waiting for right here. The beast of the camera, the Canon M50. Go ahead and get all this out the way for you guys. But here it is. The lens that I got on it is the 15 by 45 millimeter, and that's what it's mostly used for. It's the vlogging. It's the one used for vlogs the most. So all the regular manuals and all that stuff, this is how it looks from when I open up the box. The famous Canon strap, along with the batteries. This is the lens right here, and what we all been waiting for, the camera itself. Alright, here it is, guys. The body of just the Canon M50. We're gonna put this to use, get as much content as we can. Just a little side note, for those of you that want to create content and you don't have the budget yet to afford a camera, you can always record using your phone, just in the landscape mode. That just means flipping the phone over and recording it on full screen. As you can see here, I actually used the newest iPhone, which is the 11, to get this footage to show you guys the comparison. I'll also be showing everyone how the mic sounds and the difference between with the Rode microphone on and without. So be sure to stay to the end of the video to see that. But the great thing about this camera, and the reason why most people buy it, is because this flip out screen. It's made for vlogs, so if you guys are out here making a vlog like this is how you do it. But that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so this is everything that came in the box. This is the actual camera itself, the body of the camera. It came with the 15 by 45 millimeter lens, along with the battery to charge the battery, the user guide, and the Canon strap. And for the Rode box, what came was this microphone that attaches on top of the camera like that, and it's used for better audio quality. Alright guys, that was everything that was in the box. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for those new YouTubers that are just starting out, I do highly recommend this camera because it's amazing, it's compatible, it's easy to use, and you could just get on it and click record and make content. So with that being said, don't let anything stop you guys. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Your main bro out. Peace. Alright guys, I have to take you up to one of my favorite views so we could try out the audio. If you guys could tell, there's a lot of background noise. This is without the Rode microphone, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the Rode on now. So I don't know if you guys can hear the difference, but I do have the Rode on now, and we're up on a mountain, so it's a lot of wind, and I'm just testing it out to see if it picks up all that audio. But it seems to be working. It's an amazing camera along with the mic. They go along hand in hand together. I definitely recommend it. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the view. Peace out.